Unexpected moments in life can affect you in major ways. Just listen to what happened to average American hard-working young lady, and all she did wrong was show up for work.
I was hurt at work and they didn't care. Said it was my fault the fax machine sucked up my sleeve and my arm was injured. I was hurt and they just didn't care. When I fell after the fax machine problem, I poked my eye on the sharp corner of the table. I can't see anything but a blur out of that eye now. I walk into walls, desks, closet doors, people, pricker bushes, and other dangerous things, all because of the defective fax machine at my place of work. The company put me on unpaid leave and sent me a bill for the fax machine repair. I needed help. I needed someone on my side. I needed clip, trip, and slip to fight for my rights and get me the satisfaction I deserved.
And damn it, Miss Punchbowl, you are going to get it come hell or high water. Hi folks, I'm Ichabod Slip. Have you had a slip and fall accident, injured in a car crash, maybe severed a limb on a public bus or subway? Well, we can help. We at Clip, Trip, and Slip can get you a substantial money award no matter what the obstacles are. Your employer won't stand a chance against our highly trained team of lawyers, attorneys, ambulance chasers, and counselors at law. We specialize in negligence at the workplace lawsuits. Miss Punchbowl can tell you more.
After the surgery and the expensive pharmacy drug costs, I asked my employer to allow me time to recuperate. Their answer was no. I was devastated. Out of work for 6 weeks with no pay except for the short-term disability that didn't kick in until the 8th week out of work, so I lost my apartment, my car payment was 2 months behind, the bank repossessed my Lexus, and my checking account was down to $3.80. Thoughts when Clip, Trip, and Slip went into action.
Miss Punchbowl needed legal advice. She came to us, the people that care. After Miss Punchbowl was seen by the doctor at the free clinic downtown we deal with, she was ready to fight back and get the justice that she deserved. Justice with a jingle, a $400,000 jingle lawsuit filed in Superior Court in Leonard County. A class action lawsuit claiming that her former employer, knowing and with malice, left that fax machine as an instrument of death for the unexpecting employees to unknowingly fall prey to.
Oh my eye, it hurts, it's throbbing and burning, I feel dizzy, the room is spinning, it is getting better, the pain is subsiding, I am able to see just one of everything again.
Miss Punchbowl, maybe you should lie down for the rest of the commercial. Your case is still pending and the jury hasn't come back with a verdict yet.
Attorney Slip, I trust you with my life.
Get answers now. Do I have a case? Yes, certainly you do. Who pays the medical bills you pay? Then we attack the shoe company for it in court. Should I speak to the insurance company? Hell no, we will do that with our intimidation techniques. How fast will my case settle? Could be weeks, could be months, all depends on how many cases I am juggling at once. Questions, ask me no questions, I'll tell you more lies, or I mean honesty, integrity, valor, common sense, and with a bit of shit luck you will walk away with hundreds of thousands of dollars in settlement cash when you are clients at Clip, Trip, and Slip.
Attorney Slip, I am afraid of permanent scarring from the accident. Isn't that something you can go after them for, so I can get some plastic surgery and maybe even some Botox or a tummy tuck? I would also be interested in that procedure they do now to blow up your ass all in the right places. Hey, how about that Switzerland Dr. Cindy Crawford uses?
High-profile cases need just the right touch and thoughts. Why our firm is the place to build your case, to win your case. The time is now. Get the results and get that cash settlement above all. Now on a serious note, we speak German, Thai, Spanish, French, and Swahili, and so don't be afraid of a language barrier. Birth injuries, medication errors, cancer, misdiagnosis, serious falls, dog bites, dog attacks, vicious dog manglings, bloodied severed limbs requiring stitching and surgeries, the suffering, the pain, the anguish, the humiliation and agony. But don't forget, Ichabod speaks German for you. Was keys to Haven Spring G Deutsch and Dutch teen speak and Z Deutsch Nervenheimer Gleichstensiv Stavanger Gluck Steve Weston Ugan.
I am a victim. I am a poor lowly employee who has been cast aside all just because I was performing my duties as loyal and dedicated professional in a den of lions of a place of business.
Indeed, Miss Punchbowl, the law offices of Clip, Slip, and Trip are at your side. Tell me now who at your firm was in charge of the maintenance of fax machine.
I can't answer that question.
You what?
I don't know, Mr. Skip.
That Slip bitch.
Did you just call me a bitch, pal?
Alright, I screw up, cut, take 5. We need to radio the scene. I have just had it. I can't work with this inept broad much longer. She keeps screwing up her lines. The emotions she uses are so fake and unbelievable, and the proximity of her breath to my breathing space is unbearable. Someone get me a towel. These friggin' stage lights are burning me up. Oh, very funny. Knock off the bullshit, you pompous oaf of a director. Hey, can we get some fans going or something? I am frying like an egg in this crummy unventilated studio. Lousy, incompetent, half-ass kiddie show crew.
It's no picnic working with you either, Fleischman. Your babbling and cut-rate acting skills are the worst in the business. I have a certain level of reputation I need to uphold in this industry, and working with a boob like you is going to tarnish my career. In other words, kiss my ass, nerd loser.
The only reputation you have around here, Prescott, is the one you earned on your back and in back seats of cars. I, on the other hand, am a prestigious honorary member of the Actors Guild and deserve better than the likes of working with you. Your career is down there with sloping the pigs and cleaning elephant dung at the circus, bimbo brain.
Why, you little weasel, I should slap your face for that bastard. Where's my agent? How dare this second-rate stand and try and insult me right in front of the camera?
Take it easy, Broomhilda. You try and strike me and I'll hit you right back. Won't be the first time I hit a woman.
Oh god, the lights are back on. Camera 5 is zooming in on you, dumbass. Get back to the commercial and try not to wet your pants this time. Think I can't see those depend undergarment you're wearing? Think again, clown.
Our initial consultation is free. You pay no monies without a complete satisfaction of settlement for you claim. I have been in the business for 19 years and have the know-how and experience to fight and win your case for you.
I was never even able to clean out my desk and gather my personal items when this all happened. Attorney Slip, the guard, came up to my cubicle with a cardboard box, told me to fill it up in less than a minute, and then escorted me out of the building and off the property. Locked the gate and flipped me the bird. It was humiliating. At the time, one of the girls had her 2 little daughters with her when she was visiting on her day off. The 2 children looked at me with mournful looks on their faces, like I was some kind of evil, vile woman trespassing on the premises. I was almost in tears right then and there. It was horrible for me.
Thoughts dreadful, Miss Punchline. I mean Punch Bowl. You have my deepest sympathies. Toward people, toward Sue. I'm just plain and simple Sue, and we want your business. We want to help you get the money you deserve. We have the time, the resources, and the judicial system is like putty in our hands. So the laws and regulations set up in our society to bring justice to all that seek it is but a mere pittance in the analogs of history and resources found abroad.
I am confused, Attorney Slip. What you said does not make sense.
There is monumental statutes that have to be considered when dealing with such advantageous obstacles on the president. You are murdering young lady von Skeech to have been Borchenochtesten Mackievenstein brought us deceiven Reich Sterben Taviok Stern von Kempestachen Verlieberhaben.
I speak French, not German, Mr. Slip.
The law offices of Clip, Trip, and Slip are at your disposal. Office visits, home visits, accident scene visit. We are there for you. Driving while intoxicated, drug possession, conduct after an accident, refusal of breathalyzer test, robbery, theft, burglary, assault, first-degree kidnapping, computer crimes. Don't say bye-bye to your freedom. Take that first step to success and give us a call. Our team of experts can bring you the wealth and fame you seek and deserve.
Se habla español, no speak o English. Halapo encrypta clase de Alejandra Mula CC Sr.
I clearly see that this woman must be institutionalized at the end of trial. I will assume the duties of making out her will, for which I will be executor and sole heir of all her property and assets. After having her declared completely mentally unstable, I will hold power of attorney and have this bitch tossed in a rubber room with a tennis ball for company. Then it's off to Cancun for a 2-week vacation, all expenses paid by my client, Miss Brain Dead Lost Flight Dumbo Dits.
I want to die. I cannot cope with the real world, and suicide is my only recourse. It is but a shallow existence here in the land of lollipops, pixie dust, and unicorns. My dress is on fire. I know how to make volatile homemade hand grenades with common household chemicals. I need a lawyer, and I need one fast. Yaza.
Do you want this to happen to you? That is why it is imperative that you pick up the phone and call now before it is too late. Hello, the whole button is stuck. Hello, somebody call the phone company quick. It's working now. Not shit, this sucks. This effing system is for the shit birds.